Sarkodie is, you know, your brother.
Yeah, big brother.
Big brother. Moko school bako.
Yeah.
Or you senior.
Yes.
Moko Tema Methodist day secondary school. Medas.
Yeah.
And he always Sarkodie is an inspiration to you.
Yeah.
But in this, God is a woman.
Yeah.
You kind of throw a shade at King Sark.
Where?
Freki no say ombegin is Sarklete.
Yeah.
I mean, how do you say, sir, young Freki no ombegin is Sarklete? Are you sucking the king?
Oh, every season has a king, and I am not even talking about Sarkodie. My aim is not just Ghana, Beku. I just want the best female rapper for the whole Africa. So I'm actually talking about the world in general, not Ghana. I mean, Ghana, we've already made impact in Ghana.
Inti Frekino.
Whoever is
say Ombeji
worldwide.
Ne Sarklete.
Yeah.
Frekino say Ombeji ne Sarklete.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Queen of Africa.
Of course.
Ade obidi awo etwa wompo ana.
Awo o na se minye mpo na awo abome.
Wonyini ye.
Nah.
Because who can say I have no child?
Say me woda.
Woda.
Yeah. I said I'm at save so my agent kwani ade na goddess me wo ya hwan na ebeje kwa. Say God nyame ba ni yes. And she say goddess me wo ya ye nyanya yes.
Now you understand that it's a men's world.
Yeah.
You understand that rap is a men's world.
Yeah, I do.
But you are the only female who enters the men's world without a passport.
Yeah, I do.
What is the passport that you need to enter into a men's world?
Like, you know, we say male dominated means, you know, it's not easy for women to penetrate unless you excuse me to say case answers. Like sometimes the men even take advantage of women and all those things.
No long talk. Ain't no barony. Africa rap goddess. Yeah. What's up with you and Becca? Let's go.
What's up? What's up?
Highly spiritual.
Yeah. Me know what's not see a che. Ase wompe. Yesha see enye. Enti enko si da bang. Me na me crofo aye frase say ye to flowers and me di mrike kwache osofo bi ahye me nkom yes this year be my year.
So baby tell me what's up.
Or do you wanna break up? Hey,
say won't me I can't shame your day.
Make I know your what's up. Hey,
so baby tell me what's up.
Hey papa. Alright, how do you wanna
break up?
Say
won't me I can't shame your day.
Alright now. Empina dear kwasi bia be me trace me na dwene modro de ni mawarie eh me ne what na for 7 good years medicine na wusi ampo anka wawie eh if you love me put a ring on it Jan krasem na ni penyini me papa ma me pressure akonta se kan kaka yi ma beje ntem ma mendwene aye fro yinti me ye bia ye me shase ye me do fa na enye nne me ye marriage material ya wadwin ye na wache. Alright now.
Or do you wanna break up?
Hey,
say won't me I can't turn you day.
Make I know your what's up.
So baby tell me what's up.
Or do you wanna break up?
Yeah. Say won't me I can't turn your day.
Make I know your what's up.
Tell me,
oh, don't waste my time, not delay me, oh.
Still wanna be my baby, oh, you have to be real.
Don't you play me, oh. And when you mess up, you say all I want is you, my adore.
Will you call me baby? Tell me
all you want is me, eh? I just feel the pain, but if you want to leave, then baby, tell me what's up. How do you wanna break up? Yeah, say won't me I can't shame your day. Make I know your what's up. So baby, tell me what's up.
for me pamocho we me sorry about unchain na my babe koto eno me babe koto na my bought me some kesi party ama. Just give me a moment. I'm coming over to your side at the studio B. Help me to salute Eno Barony.
Mama so soma my ya bramo mema 30 ya munya chaswa chebe unirana bro oh chebe unirana bro chebe unirana bro oh chebe unirana bro na bro consider bang na mayuwa ya ba ye benya ya sumdie e ba ne sen na den kakra ye bedie ti papa fo yi boye nsejie e na rape ochina abuse obi ahwe mpo so obema ne be pie we oba na mo pese wo yiye wa brabo mo padi ya me ma wudue fisa o pa ko pe adwuma manager pese odi we chika from lecturer fo ni emiemia one pene so a won graduate hey but enough is enough. The success of a woman don't depend on spreading her legs and young kakra bia pese wo bonti produce a remu ama wakomete eh my ya bremo mema 30 ya munya chaswa chebe unirada I know chebe unirada bro chebe unirada bro oh chebe unirada bro now bro young cray me say mama ya temonka Ghana boys afedie ya temoto hey and no Wendy was to be hey ebony kaye I said hey you dream one more share and then when you move yeah mo pese mo tunte I feel them I'm a saying yeah you dream one more share and then when you move yeah mo pese mo tunte I feel them I'm a saying yeah and chebe uni rana bro a chebe rana bro
Oh boy yeah but extra say na me tie nyum na me say eno wakasa akire ma pa ladies first album enough is enough no e man na woni omo kasa ana emema abusing ba
emema ne abusing man yeah man it's high time we tell them enough is enough.
Okay.
Yes.
Eno yenim say we ye poet.
Yeah.
Intino wordplay wo de ensem di agro.
Yeah.
Eye eche ebe hu ni wura na wabre ana etewe ebe nya ni wura na wabre eno sabio enwom no ye ntubi ba ye tie enwom no bonwom no enti ye to ye bo ase etie enwom no hu etinimu pa
aveku
wo ka se lecturer for miem no na wabre
Aveku,
me patcho sana wo patche.
Who the cup fake?
No. No, me patcho. No, me srao. Me say.
No. Yeah, that is it. But then
lectures, ma.
Yeah.
Some be mom grace producers and so and may say you feature wa ansana oba be ware no. Na ne eche no abre.
Yes.
Iti eche ebe hu ni wura no abre.
Simple.
But oba nye eche wo na so yembo
say kasakwa say eche no mo bia di butin say ne wo di ehwe na obi a shashasha ansa na ni raba na elastic na ago
enti o ka kire ma no say ansa na ma no be ware no na memma adwamu ache
enti ne he enti ansa so mo give up to abuse nessa mo keep picture no na ne fata ne mmehye
enti mesra wo yo ba hwe wo chani ye enyesa ansa na be ware no ba mu obe ware wo de wedding we be hye wo no obeba na ade ne mu ahodwo ne mu ababai eno ne eche ebe hu ni wura na wabre Nti enye echa ehye yeti nemum ema ase.
David.
Oh, no enana de enya de na wo sesa wa.
Yes, kasakwa.
Na so meti ase.
Say eche no.
Buba men so meti be. Okay, yanko.
Yeah. This is to all the reggae lovers, yeah. Let's do this right now. One shot, you get it. Get it. At the egg, yeah. Oh, my dear. Fema no way. To set off here. Yes, she is. Oh, my dear. Fema no way. To set off here. Yes, she is. The way you touching my body, you're killing me slowly. The way you touching my body, you're killing me softly. Come, get up, boy. You better come, me home Jane, Obi Majini, Ona me home Masane, or me Sapane, shut up a penny, for some of us a crowd, and I'm a hot Danny boy. Baby boy, you stay on my mind. Say when you in China, you are on my mind. I think about you all the time. Masuda, Diana, Miniwo, is he baby, oh baby, give it to me 3 times daily. Baby, oh, baby, and before you know it, it's another baby. Oh, my dear, I feel my way. This set of fear, yes, she is. The way you touching my body, you're killing me slowly. The way you touching my body, you're killing me slowly. I say, oh my dear, AK Sunstress. Alright, one who's here that then I'm a Matia, she would don't want to me. Other misses, so me move. Mama to remove.
Don't stop, give me no one done for me move. Stop love me now, make up for you.
Mama, me, I say, what you give?
Give me enough love enough to give it
out to you.
Say they wanna come between us, the
alright.
Do them enough man, I bring me body, but me never
one. Give them.
Oh my dear.
Say my no way. Mama, yeah, you do. Yeah.
Oh, you're versatile. Yeah, boy, yourself. Daddy Lumba, a boy, you be saying to you, Bia, Emma Sanyum, no, a bayan, Sam who Krum has a yen to you.
Say, minty and coffee. That is it, yeah.
And then you can reach me a Valentine song.
Of course.
Oh, let's do it.
Feature now, yeah. Dirty.
Hype lyrics on the beat.
EFYA. Alright.